Hey Wanderers.
I'm Amanda.
And I'm Ron.
Welcome to Wanderlost.
So this is Adventures in Baking, but we're not doing it.
We're leaving.
These two in charge.
That's us.
So they're going to be making a recipe that everybody loves to eat at Ron's mom's house. So they're in charge. Bye.
Don't burn the place down.
What if that's part of the recipe?
So our first step is to melt all the butter in the microwave. We're using 2 whole sticks.
The more butter, the better. Butter.
Did you really just
Better?
miss that pun? But
Get it?
you could have said butter, and you didn't.
The more butter, the better. The more better, the butter.
The better the butter, the better the better.
As you can see, we have a very high-class kitchen. Only the best materials for us to use. Now, yeah, that's been busted for a while. We're trying to get people to fix it, but, butter.
Bruh.
Butter.
Butter.
Yeah, butter. Anyway, we are, they're a little slow is all. Okay, Wesley, what are we doing now?
So now, we take this powdered sugar.
Do you want a knife? Don't we get you a knife, man? I can get you a knife. He's getting a knife. Nope, that's not the, oh, scissors. That's fun.
So next, we put in 1.25 cups of graham crackers. I didn't say
Graham
graham
cracker
cracker. I
crumbs.
meant to say graham cracker crumbs. So next, we put in an entire cup of peanut butter.
Get a spoon.
Yeah.
You're now entering 2 whole sticks of butter in there.
Melted.
Yeah, well,
Not
yeah,
stirred.
well, mostly melted. It will be stirred though, Mr. Bond. There shouldn't be like some kind of, I don't know, like more wet water stuff to like, you know, soften this?
Maybe we were supposed to melt the butter a lot more.
Well, it didn't say. They said to wait until it's like a Play-Doh-y consistency, which I would call that's what it was before. Maybe we need to use an actual whisker, like a whisk, Wesley? But since
It's
you've
starting to
bad-
look more Play-Doh-y.
No. What kind of Play-Doh you using?
The consistency of this is so weird feeling.
It's like Play-Doh plus kinetic sand.
Exactly. There's so much more flour that's stuck in the bottom that I can't get out.
Okay, now we transfer it into this pan where we use even more of our hands to do this stuff. So that'll be fun. Wes is off washing his hands, which probably shouldn't have had them do that, but we'll tell them later. You just went and washed your hands and stuff because you obviously use it to mix into the bowl. But yeah, I'm gonna need you to use your hands again to press it down into the actual pan. Next, all we need to do is just melt these chocolate chips in the microwave, and then we get to spread it over the first layer of it. You having trouble there, Wes? Need scissors again?
No, I got it.
Okay.
I don't know why I just almost touched it.
We're still melting down the chocolate chips. Oh, they are really melting. But that bowl is really hot, so Wesley's having to use an oven mitt. And that is our melted chocolate right there, folks.
look at that. It looks so good. What do you think? Was it easy to make?
Yeah, it's pretty easy to make. Seemed expensive to make though.
Expensive? Why?
You gotta use the whole thing of chocolate chips and a whole thing of powdered sugar.
Oh,
Not that expensive.
right. Okay. All right. We're gonna cut in here. What do you think? Oh, you only ate the chocolate.
Well, I still had peanut butter. Yeah, it's what I remember. It's pretty good.
Try to dig you a piece out. They're not coming out.
So that was pretty good.
Yeah?
All right, good job.
That tastes very good. So, I know the sun is being ridiculous, but I was editing the video of the boys making the dessert, and I realized that nobody ever said bye. So thanks for watching, and please make sure that you subscribe and comment below if you have a favorite thing. I love that the boys got to make something that their grandmother makes and that they really like to eat, and we're all trying not to eat too much of it right now, but it's really good. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Merry Christmas.
Alright.
Alright, so what's happening next?
Alright, like, bring it up to me.
Is that what you wanted?
Bro.